Hi there, everybody, and happy Monday to you. I'm 3 News senior meteorologist Matt Wintz. Thanks for joining us today on our YouTube channel to talk cold, right? That's what we've got to talk about. How cold and how long. We've got weather impact alerts today, tomorrow, and Wednesday for the brutal cold. You know how to take advantage of it by not taking advantage of the outdoors and staying inside. In terms of wind chill values, -5 to -15 today, and then it gets colder, especially tomorrow afternoon, -10 to -25, and that trend continues into Wednesday, especially in the morning before we finally start to moderate. So let's take you through it. Your National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast. We still have lake snow on going out east. The rest of us, mix of clouds and sun. Temperatures will kind of hold steady the rest of the day. Upper single digits to near 10 degrees. Wind chill values between 5 and 15 below. Tonight, yeah, we'll drop back as expected. Temperatures back down near 0 tonight. Wind chill values waking up tomorrow morning in the -5 to -15 range. And then watch this. We get a cold front, a kind of a secondary reinforcing shot of this polar air tomorrow. This moves through midday with snow showers. Temperatures go from near 10. They crash in the afternoon to near 0 for that rush hour trip home. And we've got wind chill values that are now tanking as well, near -15. And then by tomorrow night, we are in it. We'll have air temps that drop to near anywhere between -5 and -10. And wind chill values, you see them in blue there, between -20 and -25 degrees tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and that's what we're going to wake up to Wednesday morning, are air temps and wind chill temperatures that are just downright brutal outside, all right? So not much recovery as we go throughout the day. Yes, we'll recover a little bit, but still, 10 to 15 isn't exactly warm with wind chill values still below 0 for much of the day Wednesday. So real cold air coming our way. Not a lot of snow in the forecast, exception being up in Lake and Ashtabula County. Our model continues to think that we get a snow band that just kind of sits up there, not just the rest of the day, but through the daytime tomorrow as well. So we'll have to keep an eye on where that establishes itself. We still do have some lake snow out towards the east right now. In terms of your temperatures, again, Wednesday still cold, and then we're up into the 20s as we get into the latter half of the week. All right, long range forecast. Where do we go from here? Well, the cold air sticks around. There's not a lot of moisture with this Arctic air. It doesn't have any ties to the Pacific or the Gulf of Mexico, so there's not a lot of snow in the forecast. A couple clipper systems here and there may bring us some light snow, but overall we stay relatively snow-free in terms of bigger storm systems through the weekend. And then next week we'll start to tap into the Gulf of Mexico as it looks right now, but the timing differs on all these. The Euro brings some snow in here next Monday, but again, we'll see how things kind of fluctuate on the modeling. It hasn't been consistent yet. Your Union Home Mortgage 10-day forecast. There's your weather impact alert today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. We start to recover with a few snow showers around on Thursday. And then the weekend at this point, not looking too bad. We'll have lots of clouds around, but temperatures up near freezing. I think we can handle that compared to where we are right now. So just make sure you're taking care of yourself, your pets, others. We know the drill, Northeast Ohio. We've got 3 days of this. All right, we'll be back on the TV side of things at 4 o'clock. Stay warm, everybody. We'll see you then.